Hey guys, it's your girl Miss Fluffy, back with another video, But today's video, I'll be making cabbage and okra. You don't hear me, cabbage and okra with a side of boiled dumpling, boiled banana, and and some boiled yam, some boiled white yam. So if you guys want to see that, stay tuned. Also, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, or you've been watching my videos and you haven't subscribed, what you waiting on? Hit that red button and turn on your post notifications so you get every time your girl uploads a new video. Sundays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Guys, I'm sorry that I haven't posted a video yesterday. So here I am today, and y'all will get another video tomorrow, Sunday. Alright guys, so don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my social medias, Instagram and Snappy Chat. Everything will be in the description down below. You don't know. If you guys want to see me make certain videos, leave it in the comment, guys. That's what the comments there for. Leave me a comment down below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And I'll catch you on the next one. Okay, let's get into it. So let's get into the video. Bye. Alrighty, guys. Alrighty. So, I already got everything like pre-prepped. So I got my cabbage over there. You don't know. I got my onion. I'm just using one medium size onion. I got some bell peppers, not too big, not too much, and I have my okra right over here. So I got to cut them up. Got to cut off the tip and the tail, the head on the tail. Got to cut it up, and I got 2 good size carrots. Yo, I already scraped them, cut off the top, and I'm just ready to be cut up. And here I have all the good stuff. I have my yam, and I have my green banana. Honestly, I was like, let me hurry up and use this banana before it turns ripe. So I got these over here, and I'm gonna make some boiled dumpling as well. So I'm gonna boil this, boil that, and boil my dumpling. Yeah, this is gonna be my meat. My meat for today, quote unquote. Okay guys, so let's get into this. I'm gonna put these aside because that's for later. I'll push these over here. Let me cut up my cabbage first. I'm gonna cut this cabbage up. Tomato, and that's just the juice from the carrot. So if I could cut out this part. Yeah. You can use the whole cabbage if you want to. If this doesn't look too much, I'm gonna probably add. If this looks small, I'm gonna add the other half in there. Cause I want it to nuff up. I want it to be a lot. Whoa. Cause remember, these things wilt. It wilts all the way down. You know, let me see. I'm gonna transfer this over here. Yes, guys, I have a little bowl that I'm just gonna put them in until I am ready for them. Until we're ready. You know, I'm gonna cut up the other half. Let me go get it. Ja. And this is a really, I already rinsed it and all that. I just had it aside just in case. And this is really an inexpensive dinner option. Like, this is really cheap and it's healthy for you. You're gonna also need, I'm gonna let y'all know later, but you're gonna need butter and a little bit of oil. So I'm gonna do those later. Ooh, yes. Yo, like I've been feeling for some cabbage. I was like, you know, I'm gonna have to make this. I gotta make this right now. Today. That'll be all right. I'm gonna rinse this off. So I'm gonna just cut up my onion. 1 onion is good enough. If you want to use 2, since this is not so big. You can use 2 if you're an onion person. You're really not gonna taste it at all. At all. Yo, like it is so cold outside. Like I can't believe. I was like, yo, I know it's winter season, but dang, too cold for me. It's too cold for me. Ooh. See, that last video I made, I just love the lighting. I just love how the lighting just complements my skin. Your girl popping, pop, lock, and drop. I'll just cut these up. Ooh, ton of, if you have saltfish, you can definitely add some saltfish in there. If y'all don't know what saltfish is, go back and look at my saltfish fritters video. Go look at my ackee and saltfish video. Look at all my other videos. Whoa, this muff. Alright, so I'm gonna put these in this over here. Alright, let me transfer these over here. It looks messy, but it's not that messy. Let me zoom in some more. Yo, this lighting is just right. Just right up. Right up. See, some people don't like okra because of the sliminess. But I don't mind. I don't mind at all. Alright, I'm gonna finish cutting these up and I'm gonna finish cut up the carrot. Then I'll be right back. Alright guys, so have my stove right now on high. I got my cabbage in here. I'm going to add some canola oil, just a little bit, because I'm also going to add some butter. Butter. And this is the butter I'm using for anybody that wants to know. Put this amount, not too bad. Ooh, can't wait I can't wait. Alright guys, so I'm gonna add all my goodness, all the yumminess. I have my okra, I got my carrot, I have my onions, I have my bell peppers. So everything is gonna go in here. Woo! Party like a rock star. Ooh, woo, yeah, yeah. Ooh, feel good up. Alright guys, so I'm gonna add 1 cup of water. I'm just gonna add 1 cup of water in here because we're gonna steam this I'm also gonna add some salt all over this. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Alright, that's enough. And I'll put the rest of the seasoning later on. But for right now, that's it. I'm gonna cover the lid. Woo. I'm gonna let this wilt down for about 20 minutes. I'm gonna add some ketchup and some more seasoning, black pepper and all that when I come back. Yeah. Alright guys, so for the banana, like I already did my flour. So for the banana, I already rinsed it and everything. I'm just gonna cut off the top part. Then I'm gonna cut off the bottom part. Cut off the bottom part and then I'm gonna just cut it down on one side like that. There you go. I'll do one more side. And I got my water boiling over there. I already added some salt. So I'm gonna cut them just like this. And put it in the water to boil. Skin on and everything. I didn't even know you could leave the skin on until I came up here. Yeah. So you can definitely leave the skin on and boil it. So that's definitely gonna save you some time. So let me cut this up. Guys, be careful with this. Let me move this. After you cut this up, make sure you put it in some water. Look at the thing, look. Man, I thought this was yellow yam. But I'll just make do. I'm telling you, I can never find yellow yam up here. Never. If y'all live in Tallahassee and y'all know where I could get yellow yam from, let me know. Alright guys, so I'm just going to cut this in probably just half. This is so small. You see all that grime? Stickiness? You got to move quick with that. So I'm going to hurry up and put this in the pot and everything. So yeah, suka guys, I'm going to show you how to make a dumpling real quick. Real quick, because I already did this already. Alright, so you're just going to get a piece of the dough. However much you want or how big you want your dumpling to be. The simplest, quickest way, just form a ball like this, press it out in the palm, and voila. Quick, easy dumpling. Where's the lighting at? Ooh, lighting too much. But there you go. Quick, easy. Quick, easy, and simple. So yeah. Alright guys, so let's check up on the cabbage. Ooh, nice. Nice. So I'm going to go in with some black pepper. Ooh, all that steam. And I'm going to go in with some Jamaican, some chicken spice. Straight from yard. Straight from yard. And I'm going to go with some Maggi. You can get the Maggi. Ooh, You get the Maggi at Walmart. And I'm gonna go with some adobo. I felt like I haven't used the adobo in so long. Here she is. Just a little bit, because remember I already put salt in there earlier. So don't forget about that. So I'm gonna mix this up real quick. Ooh, if you have time, you could definitely put some thyme in this. Ooh, Jano. Can't wait. Oh my God, yes. Don't have to dread to be Rasta, 'cause it's not a dreadlocks thing. So I'm gonna go with some ketchup. You don't know, say ketchup in everything. Ooh. Alright, so that's good enough. Let's mix this around. Mix this around, tone. Alright guys, so I cut the temp down to medium. So I'm gonna just let all this seasoning and flavor and everything marinate together, and it will be done. The dumpling and the yam and the banana are boiled up over this. So yeah, the thing's so done up. So I'm gonna just cover this up and let it finish do what it's supposed to do, and I'll come back with a finished product. Yeah, we're gonna plate it together. Bye. Alright guys, they done it. Done. Look on the thing sell off. Ooh, y'all tell me this cabbage looks so good. And you can also have this with rice, with some white rice. So yeah, so I'm gonna plate it up. Alright guys, so I got 2 dumplings and a piece of yam. Stand used for the banana. It was already too ripe, so I was trying to catch it before it got too soft. But it got too soft and mashed out. I was doing something else, so I'm so sorry. I wanted to taste the banana. But anyways, I got my dumpling. So I'm gonna just put some cabbage on this. Whoa, Ray Macarena. Ooh, Ja. If Ja is standing by my side, yo, I did not time turn up. Yeah, thing looks sell off. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. For more awesomeness, you don't know. Lego. Bye.